In this lesson, we'll show you how to reinforce an area in Revit, namely this slab on level 1. So let's go to the level 1 structural plan. Then we'll go to the Structure tab, and from under the Reinforcement panel, we'll select the Area icon. We'll now click on the area that we want to reinforce. You'll see a warning pop up discussing the shape of rebar. For now, just go ahead and click OK. Once all the warnings are gone, we're ready to draw our reinforcement area. We'll use the Draw tools up in the ribbon under the Draw panel. And we're going to go with the Rectangular tool, since the region that we're drawing is rectangular. Now we'll left-click in the top left corner of the area we want to reinforce. Note that that's where our column is placed, and where two of our grid lines intersect. We'll then draw our rectangle to the lower right-hand corner, where the other two grid lines intersect. Now that we've drawn our reinforcement area, we want to create a reinforcement boundary. So go ahead and click the Create Reinforcement Boundary under the Modify tab. Set the offset to 1 foot, and then click on each side of your reinforced area. This will create a margin of reinforcement. Now let's go into 3D view. We can see in general how our reinforced area looks, but let's see what the reinforcement actually does. For that, we'll go into the Visibility Graphics setting and start changing a variety of options. In particular, I want to make the fill pattern visible, and I want to increase the transparency. This will enable us to actually see the reinforcement inside our area. Once you've got your settings fixed, hit Apply and OK. Now when we're back in 3D view, you can actually see the reinforcements that we just created. So now we've created our reinforced area, and we've made it visible. But we can continue refining the properties so that we can see it in even more detail. Select one of your pieces of reinforcement, and then from under the Properties window, scroll down to Graphics and select Edit. Your Visibility Graphics setting will pop up, and we're going to set the 3D view so that it views as solid. Click OK, and then scroll down to your Visibility Graphics toolbar and set the detail to Fine. Now you can actually see what your reinforcements are really going to look like.